This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and he got the right kind of bill. He called.
What's up, YouTube? It's Mícah Leia and I'm back with another video. You know the vibe. So for today's video, I'm finally gonna be taking these braids out. It's long overdue. Last video I did was me cutting these and it's time to take them out. Like, it's so crusty. You guys could probably tell in my last 2 videos of me, look at the crust. So I'm basically just gonna be taking these out. It's already cut, so that should speed up the process. It itches. I don't really miss my hair, only because doing your natural hair every single day, y'all know that's OD, but I had to take these out because I have a photo shoot tomorrow and I need to have clean hair. Honestly, if I didn't have a photo shoot tomorrow, these would be staying in my head. Before I get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, have your post notifications on for when I post, and do all of that. I'm gonna just start with whatever. Start with this one. Before I start speeding the clips up, I'm gonna just say that I'm gonna have a lot of shedding, only because y'all know when you have your hair in a protective style over a month or for a month, your hair sheds and it just in the braids. So when all my hair comes out, when I take my hair out, the hair is gonna come out. That doesn't mean I'm bald. That doesn't mean my hair is falling out. That just means that it's been a long time since the last time I've took my hair out. It's been a month. So yeah. Look at how crusty that looks. It's literally like a whole glob of a whole glob of buildup. That's nasty. Can we just talk about my lunch check? Once I finished all of these, I'll be halfway done. Halfway. Alright, so boom, I'm halfway done with taking out these box braids. I just want this to be done already. This is just so much. My hair looks really full though. It looks very full. Guys, I have a question. If you're still watching this video, comment down how long it takes you guys to take out your box braids, because I feel like it takes me 2 hours. It's literally 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I'm taking out these braids because I have a photo shoot. Alright, so boom, I'm almost, I just got this little last piece. Let me just do this real quick. But basically, I'm done taking out all my hair. My hair is literally a mess right now. I'm gonna wash it after I finish taking out this braid. Probably put it in a slick back or whatever, so my hair could be as straight as possible for my photo shoot tomorrow. But yes, oh my god, that was the last braid. Let me make sure there's no more braids. I will cry. It literally took me 2 hours to take out all them damn braids. Literally, this is how much hair I took out. I gotta go throw all of this out right now. And that's that. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. As I always say, yeah, have your post notifications on for when I post another video. You know the what? You know the what? Comment down. You know the what? The vibes. Okay. Yes, your girl is done. Alright, let me stop with this crusty hair. I'll see you guys in my next video.